Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And to do this, first we'll need to locate the possible place for the SIM card slot, and it's not here, it's right here. I'm not sure if the camera will focus, but it's not necessary. We're gonna take the SIM needle and stick it inside the gap right there to open the slot. And inside we have the micro SD card, and there's no SIM slot on this device, even one, and no dual SIM slot as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.